Here's our top story tonight. Take a look.
Massive drug haul in India. Nearly 3,000 kilograms of high-grade heroin recovered. Heroin hidden in consignment of talc stones. Consignment from Afghanistan came via Iran. Haul worth approximately 21,000 crore rupees. Was Taliban smuggling drugs worth $3 billion? Was Pakistan's ISI sending drugs to fund terror in India? Based on specific intelligence inputs, Directorate of Revenue Intelligence ordered 2 containers from Bandar Abbas port in Iran marked for Vijayawada in Andhra Pradesh to be opened at the Mundra port in Gujarat. The documents were for semi-processed talc stones from Hassan Hussain Company in Afghanistan for Ashi Trading Company in Vijayawada. But when the sacks were opened, intelligence and custom officials were shocked to see neatly packed high-grade heroin packets worth 7 crore rupees per kg in the international market.
72 घंटे से ज्यादा चला ऑपरेशन जिसमें 30 किलो से ज्यादा हेरोइन जब्त किया गया है, जिसमें 7 ईरानियन को एटीएस द्वारा अरेस्ट किया गया है.
An order was issued to open every sack, and each sack contained stones on top, talc in the middle, and heroin in the bottom of the sack. In 2 containers, 2,000 kilograms of heroin in the first and 989 kilograms in the second container have been recovered. A team from the Forensic Sciences Laboratory at Gandhinagar was called in. Once it was confirmed the powder was high-grade heroin, raids were ordered across multiple cities in the country.
जब फिजिकल वेरिफिकेशन के बाद पता चला कि वो दोनों कंसाइनमेंट के अंदर 20 किलो की जो एक बड़ी बैग रहती है, बड़ी बैग के अंदर 3 लेयर में ये ड्रग्स भेजा गया था, जो कि हेरोइन था. फर्स्ट लेयर के उसके स्टोन थे, सेमी स्टोन, उसके नीचे थोड़ा पाउडर, फिर लास्ट लेयर के अंदर ये ड्रग्स को छिपा करके रखा था.
Police have so far arrested Sudhakar and Vaishali, a Vijayawada-based couple from Chennai, in connection with the case. 2 Afghan nationals and a resident of Delhi have also been taken into custody for questioning.
एक इंफॉर्मेशन ऐसी मिली थी, ईरान और पाकिस्तान के ड्रग माफिया एक जुम्बा नाम की बोट में ड्रग्स लेके श्रीलंका की ओर जा रहे हैं. आधार पे कोस्ट गार्ड के साथ मिलकर गुजरात एटीएस ने एक ऑपरेशन हाथ धरा और 185 नॉटिकल माइल्स पे ये 30 किलो हेरोइन मिला हुआ.
Officials say a similar consignment may have slipped past customs and drugs could be used to fuel terror and unrest in India. With Gopi Maniyar in Ahmedabad and Ashish in Hyderabad, Bureau Report, India Today.
Let me go straight across to Munish Pandey, who tracks the enforcement agencies for us at this moment. Munish, this is a massive drug haul. The question is that do the authorities actually know who are the beneficiaries? Do they have any clue of how such a massive drug consignment was entering the country? Was it really coming from Pakistan, Afghanistan? But more importantly, who were the beneficiaries on this side?
Yeah, well, Rajdeep, on paper, this consignment belongs to a Vijayawada-based shell company. What the agencies are claiming that this was a shell company owned by a Chennai-based couple. Those have been arrested. And as far as the other people who were supposed to receive this assignment, they are still at large. And the agencies are claiming that there is a manhunt going for more people in this case. As far as this entire consignment, or you can say the drug smuggling case is concerned, now there are multiple central agencies working on this case. We have been given to understand is that even the Enforcement Directorate is going to file a case. The first seizure was made by the DRI. They are claiming that in recent year, this is the biggest consignment they have seized. The worth is around 21,000 crore rupees. But the actual owners of this drug consignment and what was the purpose of this consignment, that is still to be investigated by the agencies.
One more, just to understand from you, Munish, that there are a lot of people who are also questioning whether this is part of a larger nexus that exists, particularly along the western coast and the Gujarat coast. Does the DRI believe, or the NCB believe, this is a one-off, or do they believe that there is a large drug cartel operating?
Yeah, well, Rajdeep, I spoke to few officials in the DRI, and they are claiming that they suspect that it was a racket being operated by multiple people, and there may have time when these consignments may have come or may have slipped through the ports, not only in Gujarat but other parts of country. So they believe that this was a part of larger scheme. There may have been other consignments also, but the purpose of this consignment, the purpose of this drug was to fuel terror, or was there any other purpose that is still to be investigated?
Okay, Munish, we'll continue to track this story. Please keep giving us more information on this big drug haul that's taken place off the coast in Gujarat. Appreciate your joining us on our top story.